Hi there everybody, my name is Nolan. Thank you for tuning into my channel Airsoft Ginger, where I'll be posting all my airsofting adventures, whether they be funny moments, kills, whatever I really can find that I get my hands on with my GoPro. So I'll be posting videos as often as I possibly can and as fast as I can edit them. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.
I'll cover you, I'll cover you.
So I had just spawned in, and I wanted to get inside of this building to get a better shot onto the street. So I went in through the back window, but a very unexpected surprise was waiting for me.
Hey, there's a guy in this building.
So as you could see, I really wasn't expecting that guy to be there, so I hit the floor pretty hard,
right
and ended up calling for backup, and this guy leading the way with the pistol actually all day was leading every single charge, so kudos to him, and 3 of us go in and take this guy out.
Right through that window, he can see you pretty good. So just, well, no, I don't think he's poking out right now. Here, I'll check. No, he's not poking out right now, but he can see you in that through that window if you turn the corner. Good shit. Friendly at your rear window. Friendly at your rear window.
So in this little clip here, my buddy Devin and I are holding down the objective, and the whole team is holding down the objective pretty well, so we decide to try to move up and take a better position, and we started taking fire on the way, so we jumped in the bus.
Where? Yeah, I know. It's on. It's on. We're good. Hey, Devin, you want to make a push for shits and giggles?
Yeah, let's go.
How do you want to do it?
Follow behind me.
Okay, go. Devin, we're gonna keep moving. Devin, we're gonna keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Ah! Cover. Oh shit. Drop my mag. Ugh.
So my buddy Devin and I are in the bus, and we're having a lot of problems with, I think people weren't realizing that we were actually hitting them because we were at such far distance. So, you know, we had to put quite a few rounds downrange for people to, you know, see that they actually got hit.
Good lockdown. Good lockdown. We need to watch our left side still. What?
Okay, he doesn't come out. Oh, that little fucker.
I got him.
Yeah, he's supposed to come out.
So Devin and I are in the bus for about 5 or 6 minutes of this game, and I turn and face this hallway, which our team, which was red, had controlled the entire game. So I turned and faced them, and they had their guns up at me, but I thought they thought that we were the enemy. So I asked them if they were red, and because of my hesitation, we got eliminated in a pretty great fashion.
Devin! Right here! Right here! Help! Head! God damn it! I'm out! I'm out! I got him.
So I'm watching the corner of that building for about 2 or 3 minutes, and this guy comes up behind me, and he's checking out everything, and hears some enemies talking in the hallway behind the building he's on. So what you see here is probably the funniest Blindfire I've ever seen in my entire life.
No. You gotta look down your sights. You're up here, man. I don't see a problem with it then. Are there people back there?
So it's getting closer towards the end of the day, and I noticed I actually didn't use that many Thunderbees throughout the day, so I decided to try to cut the enemy that was running with the objective off right at the beginning of the game and throw a Thunderbee, and this happens. So you can't see it because I was running away, but I actually did end up getting 3 guys out with that single Thunderbee at the beginning of the game, so I was pretty darn happy with that. Thank you very much for watching this video, everybody. Once again, my name is Nolan. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button. I will be posting as often as I possibly can. As soon as I go out and play and edit, I will always be posting here, so make sure you check back, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.